Do you like to create when you travel? This week I'm on the road, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you my small travel setup. I only took carry-on, so I didn't have much room, but I think it's important to be able to create wherever you are. If we haven't met before, I'm Pat from Scrivener Art and Design. Subscribe to my channel and consider joining my membership. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now let me show you my gear. So what I have here is my water container. This pushes out and makes this little cute flower pot for the water. And it is a Faber-Castell brand, so you should be able to find it in an art supply store. I think I actually got it in Chapter's bookstore. I brought my Lucas watercolor palette, just a small palette with a mixing area. So it's not very big. I put in this premium sketchbook. It opens flat so you can do a double spread. It's for mixed media, so I could actually do collage and other things in it, pen and ink. So I brought this pencil case as well. It's one of my designs, and I have a few things in here. I like using the clips to hold the pages open in my sketchbook. If you just use a clip on the page like that, so that you can get a full spread and it doesn't fall on you. I use this DeWint brush that has a fairly fine nib on it, but you fill it up with water and just squeeze, so you always have a wet brush. So that's really good when you're on the go and you don't want to use the water container. I have some pens. So these are Faber-Castell pens in different widths. So they're Pitt Artist pens. They're all black. They're fairly easy to find. I have a mop brush if I want to lay in a wash. And I tucked in a few of the Neo Artist crayons, which you can make wet, and they're water soluble. So just a few of the Caran d'Ache Neo Color 2s. So that is my complete setup for my painting on the go for this trip, and it just goes in my carry-on bag, my personal bag. So it doesn't take up much room. I can easily carry it with me, open it up quickly, work where I am. So I hope this encourages you to take some supplies when you travel, or even have a little setup in your car, so that if you have some time where you're waiting for somebody, you can create something. It's so important to allow yourself to create when you're on the go and not in your studio. We can create anywhere. So I hope that you will. And until next time, consider coming over and joining my membership. And we're going to be working this month on Sketch Your Day. And it's a 30-day challenge about getting in the momentum of sketching daily. So I'll leave the link in the description below, and I hope to see you in my membership. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.